Get up.
My God, I can't believe somebody would do this to me. Oh God. I can't believe he would break my heart after everything I've done for this guy. Do you know how many? Oh God.
She see the way I'm looking at you. All these things you're saying is just disturbing my ears. My ears is full of death. What are you saying? I told you that this guy is not worth it. Didn't I? I told you this guy is not worth it. These guys don't deserve our love. They don't.
Babe, look me now. Look me, check
And they're looking now. Why did they pay me? They don't deserve your... See, he doesn't deserve these tears. He doesn't deserve this worry. Let's mess him up.
Look me now.
Let's mess this guy up.
That guy.
You're dulling my spirit. I saw you're dulling my spirit. I've already told you time to time. You see anything called relationship, friendship? I cross my heart. I'm done. They don't deserve it. They don't deserve this, your love. They don't deserve your tears. They don't deserve your worries. I don't know why you're stressing yourself over someone that doesn't deserve it. Let's mess him up. Let's treat... In short, let's just mess him up. Only if you've listened to my plans since.
I messed up, babe.
You did! You messed up big time! Big time! See, do you want to listen to my plan? Do you want to? Easy. Very, very easy.
Right.
I'm always right.
No go. You're right. No go.
It's very, very easy.
No go.
I really need to change it. Let me change it first. I'm coming.
What are you doing here?
Baby boy, calm down. You're not happy to see me.
See, this relationship is over. I've moved on. So you too, you move on.
No, babe, I'm here so we work things out.
Walk.
Get up.
Jay, what is happening here now? What's all this? Ouch!
Listen, Oyiko. Let this be an example for you. Look at these faces. Look at us. It's not every girl that you can mess with. It's not any girl you see that you can play with her emotions. Some girls are not built that way. It's not every girl that has the mind for all of that, Oyiko. Not every girl's heart that you play with. So let this be an example for you. But before I let you say your final goodbye, I want to ask you one thing. What exactly did I do to deserve this? What exactly did I do to deserve what you did to me? After everything I have done for you, Oyiko, after everything I did for you.
What did you do? What did you do in the relationship?
Shut up before I give you...
Did you do anything in this relationship?
I'm not joking with you here. Wait, you guys always act like you're the victim here. Wait, do you think it's easy for a girl to fall in love with you and you just play with her emotions? That's bad. That's very bad. Babe, let's not waste much of our time here. Let's just waste him. Babe, don't talk too much. Just waste this guy. Let's get out.
Wait.
Rubbish. Let's go. Clear up the mess later.
What are you doing here? I thought I killed you.
Yes, you did kill me. But I'm here to take you with me.
What? No, please, no.
Yeah!
Who are you and what are you doing here?
I saw you guys that day. Yeah, you killed him. And guess what? I killed your friend. Prepare to join us.
Please.
So you like that video that you watched just now? Eh? Please subscribe to Oyikotv TV now. Eh? Please subscribe to this channel, Oyikotv TV. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Please subscribe.
Not bell notification, it's notification bell.
Okay, notification bell. Any of
Bell
them.
notification.
On it.
I confuse that. Please subscribe. Subscribe. We beg you. The name
Thank
of
you.
God.
God bless you. Thank you.
God bless you. Please subscribe. Please. Man, the damn people. I'm gonna say a joke. Please subscribe. Turn on your notification post. Subscribe. Ah! I'm not let come retire house.
Thank you.
So now I'm killing you.
You are a mad girl. I'm not even afraid of her.
Everyone,
I'm not even afraid.
when you come,
I know I'm afraid.
when you come, cause.
I don't fear you.
You killed him, right? You killed him. Please. You know what? I killed your friend. And I'm here to kill you.
Please. Oh, must I be there,
You can work things out.
Freeze! Ewo!
That boy is social.
Who be that one?
Babe, I'm here so we can work things out. Work things out.
Walk what?